Dr. Drew Glover at Central Family and Sports Medicine. I do family and sports medicine for Western Missouri Medical Center, and we're talking about mental health today. There's no blood test to tell you that you're depressed, right? I mean, there's no one finding that'll tell you, hey, you've got depression or bipolar or schizophrenia. It's a constellation of things that kind of manifest over time. And I think that makes it even more so difficult, not only to talk about, but to diagnose and treat sometimes. It's very prevalent. I tell people, I have this discussion in my office regularly, that a patient will come in and they'll say, I've been dealing with this for years, but I've never come in because I always felt bad about it, or I thought I was the only one that had it, or I didn't want to show weakness. And then I was talking to my friend and I found out that they were on it. Or I was talking to my friends, I found out several of them had been on it at some point. Medication for anxiety or depression is the typical conversation. And I think once people come to the realization that just because you have to have, whether it's counseling or whether it's a certain kind of therapy or medication or all of those things above for some kind of mental health issue, doesn't make you weak. It just means that you needed some help at a particular time. And that doesn't mean you're going to need that same help forever. It just means that you're going to keep you well now and keep you safe in some instances so that you don't make bad decisions that can have downstream effects that are negative. And if we can get those people to realize that it's abundant, it's out there, and it's okay to talk about it, and it's definitely okay to come in and talk to us about it and see what your options are for treatment. And it's not always just, hey, let's take a pill. A lot of times it's, hey, let's get into some therapy and talk to some people and see what they think, help you kind of work your way through this a little bit from the psychological side and see if we can get you feeling better about where we are.